Alright, I'm doing something different today. So today is the a sneak peek of Thomson East-Coast Line. So all 11 stations are free entry for public. So I thought I'll check it out. So all 11 stations were designed according to the surrounding. So it is supposed to have a really nice design according to what is around the area. So sit tight and enjoy the ride. Alright, we are going to departure gate 12 and 13. Does it look like an airport? I think it does. So I believe this is the only stop out of all the 11 stops that we will get to see the largest amount of people actually getting out of the train station itself. Why? Because Maxwell Food Market is just right above the train station. Alright, so that is all. I think I spent 3 hours taking and visiting all 11 stations. Honestly, I did not include footages from all the 11 stations because some of it is like really not very exciting. So some of the stations are downright a bit boring, so boring that I did not want to include it. But some stations are pretty awesome. The design and things like that are pretty spot on. So yep. So this is just a sneak peek. The Phase 3 of Thomson East-Coast Line is going to be official on this Sunday, which is 13th of November. Alright, that is going to be it for me. So I'm going to make my way home. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.